Okay guys, so I remember about 7 months ago I made an episode. I talked about honeygain.com. It's an app, it's a website, I don't even know what to call it, okay? You just keep it running on your desktop and it keeps earning you points. So I've left it for 7 months and today I will tell you if I got paid finally by this website Honeygain. Now I want you to know that as you can see down here, I have referred 153 people using my link to use this website, and every time you refer people you earn points. Okay, so I have referred 153 people. I have one device that was registered, my laptop. That is one device only. I just registered one device, and I have the referrals as well. So I have two things, my device and the referrals. I would assume that if someone does not have referrals, he will earn even slower than that. Okay, I mean, you can add more devices if you want, but anyway, I went ahead and bought some referrals. If we go to my transaction history, you will see that there is one of the referrals which I referred, only one. He's the one that keeps earning me points. Thank you so much. He's earning points somehow, and he's also giving me 10% or even less from his points. So there is only one referrer. This guy keeps earning money. I thank him obviously for this. Thank you, my friend. He's not getting affected by me. He's just earning his points normally as he would do as always, and I'm just getting a small percentage because I'm the one who referred him. As you can see, he's always earning points. Look, 42 points, 44 points, 40 points. He's the guy that keeps earning me. Before, if you move way back, okay, you will see that it was not only this referral, it was many of them. It was like 153, but they all faded away. They stopped using the program. They hated it, the program. They said, what is this? I'm not gonna use it. And they stopped using it. And there is only this guy that I'm telling you about. He's the one that is still earning points, and he keeps making points, and he's giving me points as well. We are both earning, which is a good thing obviously, but I'm only earning 10%. He is earning much more than me. I'm just earning because I referred him. So anyway, I finally got paid from Honeygain after 7 months with 153 referrals. I got paid $20, guys. $20 I got paid, I must admit. Thank you, Honeygain. Even though I don't understand what you did with my laptop. I know I installed your software in my laptop. I know I kept your software running every day. I don't know what you did with my laptop, okay, but it was okay. Nothing happened that I know of. Nothing happened. Everything seems fine. So they paid me finally after 7 months, after referring 153 people with one active referral. Keeps adding points, and I will show you the proof of payment. Let's go to PayPal, login. Okay, as you can see, this is the payment from Honeygain, payouts at honeygain.com. They did pay me on the 26th of January, which is about 2 weeks ago, and they paid me £13.16, which is in British sterling. So it's about $20, and that's what they promise. That's the payout, minimum payout. When you reach it, you can request payment. So they did pay me, as you can see, £13 paid by 000 Mac. Now the only downside that I think it's a bit annoying is you don't get paid straight away. You have to create, I mean, you get paid away, you get paid straight away, that's okay, you get paid fast, but you have to create another account in a website called Citadel. They are the one who will process the payment. So when you reach the $20 payment, Honeygain will ask you to create an account. At the beginning I thought, why do I have to create another account with someone else? I don't want to create an account with someone else. I'm with you, Honeygain. I'm not with someone else. Why should I go and create another account with another company? What if it's a spam? But I done it, and they did pay me. So this is the result. If you're going to download the application, please use the link in the description to support my channel. You will earn points, I will earn points, you will earn £5 extra. $5. You will earn $5 just by using my link, which is worth 3 months. I'm saving you 3 months of time. I'm saving you 3 months of time by using my referral link. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time.